What's going on, fam? It's your big brother TREN. You tuned in again to another exclusive video. So in this video, man, I'm about to tell y'all something that I think that every chosen one should know. If you a true chosen one and you got a job right now and you don't like it, just watch this video. I used to be just like you. Every chosen one is supposed to be an entrepreneur, okay? I don't care what you're doing right now. I don't care how long you've been working at your job. I don't care what kind of benefits they offering you to keep you there. I don't care how many hours that you work at that job. If you are a true chosen one, you are supposed to be your own boss. You are supposed to be in entrepreneurship, okay? You are supposed to be a business owner. As a matter of fact, you are a natural born business owner, all right? Chosen ones, all our lives, we have been creative individuals, okay? All our lives, we have been creative individuals, and we've always stood out from the crowd. And this is because we are outcast. You know, even in the workforce, you probably feel like an outcast at your job. Like, you don't supposed to be there. Maybe the boss is always looking over your shoulder. It seems like you can never get ahead. They probably want you to do other people's work and stuff like that. That's because you gifted, you talented, you smarter than everybody that you work with. They know that, but the question is, do you know that? Do you know that? Well, if you know that, then you're supposed to be doing what I'm about to tell you in this video. Chosen ones are natural born entrepreneurs, okay? Listen, we're living in a time right now, folks. Most of these people out here that's walking the streets and just doing everyday stuff, they zombies. I'm gonna just keep it real with you. They are zombies. They are sleepwalking, okay? And guess what? The number one thing that they focused on that's in the palm of their hands, right? The same thing you probably watching me on. Cell phones, folks. These folks out here are so engrossed in their cell phones. They are so consumed by technology in their cell phones that if you are a chosen one and you conscious, right? You enlightened, you know things, you can make money online so easily, all right? You don't even got to go out your house. I've been doing what I do for about 6 good years. And I can't remember the last time I had to go out of my house to go to work other than walking in these parks and making videos. Now imagine that. Imagine you at home doing something that's making you way more money than what you working at where you're working at right now. You're way more comfortable. You get to go to your refrigerator, eat snacks whenever you want. You don't got a boss always looking over your shoulder. You don't got to get up early in the morning when the alarm clock goes off. You know, you got to slow roll your way into a job that don't really care nothing about you. You got to wait to go on a break just to eat your own food. And then you got to go back into the job and dread it until it's time for you to get off. Then when you get off, you got to ride home and all that traffic. Then you got to drop by the store and get some gas. Man, after a while, you just get tired of it, don't you? Listen, folks, we are living in the future, okay? This is not the past anymore. Let them live in the past. Let the Decepticons live in the past, all right? Chosen one, you are a natural born entrepreneur. You're supposed to be doing stuff like this. Like, you're supposed to be investing into stuff like drop shipping, okay? Y'all don't know what drop shipping is? It's where people buy stuff from you off websites such as Shopify, right? Let's say you decided to sell coffee and make your own store. And by the way, you don't got to know how to do none of this stuff. There are people that can help you set it up, like me. I don't mind helping you set up your own business. But listen, there are plenty of people to help you set up your own businesses online to do something like drop shipping. If you wanted to sell coffee, make a coffee store, they let you create your own stores on Shopify for whatever you want to sell. Now, let's just say you got a social media page like Facebook or TikTok or Instagram or something like that, right? You can set instead of you posting personal stuff about yourself on your social media page, you can set your TikTok up to where you talking about like how to sell coffee on your TikTok. You know, you just holding up a little thing of Folgers, like, hey guys, you know, I'm drinking my coffee in the morning. I'm about to go to work, but I just want to let y'all know, you got Folgers in your cup, and you got Folgers in your cup, and you got Folgers. People gonna watch it, even though it sounds corny and it sounds like something like you wouldn't do, but we doing it for business. We talking about business, right? Then you put the links to your store up under your pictures or your videos every time you upload it. Boom, you have become your own Starbucks. And then people gonna go to your store, they gonna buy that Folgers, because you using their products, not yours, and they gonna drop ship it to that person. And you'll make a commission off of it. Maybe $5 off a $15 coffee, pack of coffee. You see what I'm saying? There's all kind of ways for chosen ones that make money online. You could do like anything concerning e-commerce, anything digital marketing. You got credit card companies out here who give you commission for promoting their credit cards or their debit cards, like Chime, Cash App, you know, all kind of stuff like that. They'll pay you commissions. Like I do stuff like that all the time. Like it's so many different companies out here. Real estate. Another thing you can get into as the chosen one is real estate. Folks, look at how many people can't buy houses. You know what I'm saying? Look at all these houses that's vacant out here nowadays. There's so many houses out here that people cannot afford. It's so many houses out here that are like messed up. They need renovation and all that stuff done to them. They just abandoned houses is everywhere in your city. You can buy that stuff, folks. They don't tell you that, but you can buy that stuff. If you just go and ask whoever owns it, how much y'all want for this house that's messed up? Man, they'll tell you a regular price. You probably think it's like, oh man, I can't buy no house. Man, you go see an abandoned house in your neighborhood that don't nobody care about, everybody be riding by it, and you go ask whoever own that house, how much y'all want for it? We don't want nothing but like $5,000. You got $5,000, just give it to us. We'll give you the paper and everything. We'll give you the notes and everything. Boom, you got your house. Only thing you gotta do is get some of your relatives or some people that you can hire to go in there and fix it up. It's easy, folks. Put your mind to it. But I know one thing for certain is that chosen ones should not be working a 9-to-5 job. And if you're working a 9-to-5 job, I'm not looking down on you. I'm just trying to tell you to expand your consciousness. There's so much more you can be doing to make more money. And I say do it online. Online is the best place to make money nowadays, especially if you smart or if you got a lick of sense. I make money online. I don't gotta go really outside to do nothing except for walk in the park and get some exercise, because it's so easy. Everybody's on their cell phone. So you selling to the customers constantly all throughout the day. You know what I mean? E-commerce is the way. Crypto is another way. Crypto is another thing that's getting bigger and bigger and bigger. I know you've been hearing about crypto over the years, right? Cryptocurrencies, folks, they already foreshadowing it right now. So when they talking about it, yeah, it ain't big now. Nothing is ever big now. It's just talked about at the beginning, and then it slowly and gradually just starts to get bigger and bigger. And then when it gets too bigger, you're too late. There's all kind of coins, all kind of crypto coins, all kind of meme coins. You can take your US dollar, which ain't worth nothing no more because it's nothing. It's valueless now. People don't even carry paper dollars no more. It's all going digital. So what is digital? Cryptocurrency is digital. So I'm telling you this stuff because I know for a fact, because I have time when I'm at the crib at the luxury of my little office, sitting around just doing nothing. I'm just studying the markets. I'm studying brands. I'm studying e-commerce. I'm studying digital marketing. I'm studying the cryptocurrency market. I'm telling you what they doing. Take it from a guy that make passive income who make over 6 figures. Okay? I'm not telling you nothing that I don't know. All right? Cryptocurrency is going to be the future. It's good now. It's best now that you buy some coins now and start learning how to do it now. You know? And it don't cost much, man. Cryptocurrencies ain't nothing but like what? How much? All of them got different prices. Some of them like $1. Some of them like 70 cents. Some of them like 25 cents. It's really inexpensive. Super cheap. Like if you got $10, you can go buy 30 Weeble coins or stocks. 30 Weeble stocks. Now stocks is another thing. We'll talk about that later. But cryptocurrency is the thing. You can go buy Ethereum, Solana, all kind of coins out there, man, that I can name that I can't think of off the top of my head right now. But yeah, this is the way to do it for chosen ones. Chosen ones are not supposed to be working like regular people. That's for everybody else that's regular. If you a chosen one, your mind is geared to do digital stuff. That's why you on YouTube watching me, because you digital learning. Okay, this is how we learn. And you got to take what you know and apply it to your wallet. It's time to make money now. It's enough for spiritual people who claim they spiritual being broke. You don't be. That's the one thing spiritual people lack, is finances. Okay, we changing that now. And I'm telling you how to change it. Start listening to Big Bro Tren. I'm putting you on game. And this is why I be telling y'all, man, I'm giving you a deal by coming into my school, because it's hundreds of people in there already now. Just like you, just like me. Okay, for those of you who can't afford to book a session with me and talk to me about your business or whatever you desire to do, that's why I got the school. It's 7 days free. And then when you get in, you get to talk to me after the trial ends for free. Everybody in the school, I talk to them for free because they're part of my school. Just like the school across the street over here, I'll be walking around in my neighborhood. Right? Come on, man. Come on. Man. But yeah, like I said, man, that's why I be telling y'all to come to my school, not just for me. It's to get involved in network, because we talking about this type of stuff in school. E-commerce, stock markets, cryptocurrency, you know, how to make money as a chosen one. This is the conversations that we have as a team, as a unit in school, folks. If you want to continue to stay on the outside like everybody else, be my guest. But I'm trying to bring you in to the big house where we talking big business, and we trying to change our wallets. We trying to change our finances, not just walking around talking about we chosen ones. Okay? Get money at the same time, but get the money in a way that makes you happy, not something that somebody tells you to do. That's not being chosen one if you got to listen to somebody else. Chosen one do what they want to do when they want to do it. So don't take this video for granted, man. I'll be back on here later. Make sure y'all click the link, join my school today. It's your Big Bro Tren. Yeah. Invest into e-commerce, cryptocurrency, drop shipping, Shopify. We talking about that in school. We don't want to leave you hanging, man. Come join us. Peace.